Aloha, thanks so much for joining me. I wanted to show you these manu I've been working on since January in that Auku'u that we started with. This is a peacock in Makaha Valley, in I'o, Hawaiian Hawk, and Franklin I'm working on, and a barn owl. Here's an Ākohekohe. Please don't come from my pronunciation. I'm trying. Kolea. The different feathers is when it's breeding and when it's not in breeding. Eva, the great frigate bird. There's the Auku'u. A mama Nene and her baby in the KALO patch. The Alae red-footed Booby. He got little red feet under there. Elepaio. Pueo. Short-eared owl. Peacock. The bandstand that it's in was inspired from the one at Iolani Palace. That's where I started painting it. A Koa'e Kea and a Manu-o-ku, a white fairy tern. Here's another I'o and his dark feathers. And this is a Kakapo, a flightless ground parrot from Aotearoa. This is a Oahu'o'o. The different islands had different variations of them. Thanks so much for checking them out with me. We actually created them in hopes to get support for the Moorhen Film Academy, being able to tell indigenous stories of this place and its people. And not only this place and people, but people all across the Hawaiian Islands. So these paintings will go to funding that, and also a film that I'm working on called KALO, A Saga to Sovereignty. It follows 3 different time periods. The first is the rich and abundant time of the monarchs and the overthrow. The second part is the industrial agriculture era and how they derived all that power and where it led to in present day.